Right, so I'm very excited to solve this particular question. This is a combustion reaction. Okay, so this is methane here, and we're reacting that with oxygen, so that's combustion, and we're forming carbon dioxide and water. To balance these kind of combustion reaction, three things. First, balance the carbon, then balance the hydrogen, and finally balance the oxygen. That's how we're going to do it in that order, okay? It will make your life very easy. So first off, check out the carbons. Are they balanced? We have one carbon here and one carbon here. So that's balanced. The next thing, to balance hydrogen, okay? Just focus on the hydrogen. We have 4 atoms of hydrogen here, H4. And on the right hand side, we have 2. So we definitely need to place a 2 in front here to make hydrogen, which is our focus, 4. So that's done. Now let's check out the amount of oxygen we have on both sides. On the left hand side, our oxygen is just 2. But on the right hand side, we have 2 here. And then we have 2 multiplied by 1, which is 2. So that means in total here, we have 4 on the, that's 4 atoms of oxygen. Okay, I'm just going to call it atoms of oxygen there. And then on the left hand side, we have 2. So everybody knows that we'll need a big 2 here in order to balance that oxygen as well. Now you've balanced the carbon, the hydrogen, and the oxygen, and that means you're done with this question. Okay, it can actually be this easy. Yes, it's very possible. So that's just our final answer. What did I call this kind of reaction? What did I call it?